Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a group link and QR code on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see several options at the bottom of your screen. In the bottom left corner, tap on Chats. This will take you to your main conversation list where all your individual and group chats are displayed. From here, locate and open the group conversation where you want to create a shareable link and QR code. This feature is particularly useful when you want to invite multiple people to join your group without having to add them individually, making it much more convenient for larger communities or project teams. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open up the group settings and information page where you can manage various aspects of your group. Now scroll down through the options until you find Group Link. Tap on it to access the link settings for your group. Here's where you'll enable the Group Link feature. You'll see a toggle switch right beside the Group Link option. Tap this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature generates a unique link that anyone can use to join your group, so make sure you only share it with people you trust or want in your conversation. Once the toggle is enabled, you'll notice a Share button below it. Tap on this Share button to access different sharing options. A menu will appear with various ways to distribute your group link. For now, tap the Copy button to copy the group link directly to your clipboard. You can then paste this link anywhere you want to share it, whether it's in an email, another messaging app, or a social media post. But Signal also offers another convenient way to share your group. Tap on QR code and you'll immediately see the QR code for your group displayed on your screen. This QR code can be scanned by anyone who wants to join your group, making it perfect for in-person meetups or when you want to quickly add someone without typing out a long link. And that's it. You've successfully created both a shareable group link and a QR code for your Signal group, giving you flexible options for inviting new members. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.